Thank you for speeding up so I can't get in. Very kind of you. Oh, you bastard. You friggin' idiot. Get up to speed, you shithead. Oh, you had to get to the left lane, probably cut somebody off too. Again. Don't turn on red, don't do it. And next time. Dive. Light's red for you, you prick. It's red for everybody. Thank you. Don't come in front of me. If you do, move it. Thank you. What did I just tell you? What did I just tell you? Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it! Dickhead! That was a cutoff. Uh-huh. We're in the red. Tough guy, asshole. Cut off? Are you exit diving? Yes. Tough guy, asshole. Ran the red. Ran the red. Exit dive. Exit dive. You fucking asshole. Cut off. Not supposed to be in that lane, Mr. Big Truck. Thank you. No, whatever. Prius, gonna stop? Oh, yeah. Jesus. Connecticut. That wasn't nice. Straight from the turn lane. Okay. Okay. Lights are fucked up. Alright. Well, it's actually good, so. Go. Fuck the cross traffic. Let's go. Yeah, just force your way out. No problem. Just force your way out. You have a stop. That's a red. It's a flashing red. It means stop. And okay. Yeah. They really need a cop there to direct traffic, maybe? I don't know. Gonna make a mass hole left. Why don't you use your blue lights? This is not for an idea. Speaking of mass hole left, here we go again. Yep. Yeah. 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 Cut them off. No problem. Yep. Oh, that was a cutoff. Oh, it's Dr. Dean. Hi, Dr. Dean. Dropping an asshole. Yep, there you go. Bye, Doctor. Driving an asshole, you really should make your license plate easy to remember. Yeah. Exit dive. No, exit regret. Exit something. He was in the wrong lane. Oh, fuck that. I'm done. Left turn regret. Go. Go. Suck. Don't run it.